Do you let him know or not? Do you tell and show or not? Do you make the move or not? Are you waiting on a guy to make the first move? Nah. This video is for you if you want to let a guy know you're interested without compromising your femininity. This video is a response to a question that I got on Instagram. She asked, how do you respond to a guy that you're interested in? She wanted to know, could she play her part as a lady without being too overbearing and without being too laid back? So this video is for you to show you just that. You're not doing enough if all you're doing is just texting him back right away and liking his pictures. Just like you, he wants to feel wanted. So how do you let a guy know that you're interested in him? You gotta make him feel wanted. When he shows interest in you, here are 3 ways to let him know that you're interested too without compromising your femininity. Get his advice. So most men know that women don't like unsolicited advice. So when you ask for his opinion, this gives him the impression that you really value his input. Seek his help. What better way to let a guy know that he's wanted and that you're interested in him is to get his help. For example, if you need help with your car, ask him a question about it, or simply just ask him to look at the car. Give a compliment. Now, giving a compliment is one that would be received well the most. It makes him feel good, and when it comes to yourself, you're least likely to be rejected. And the best way to give a compliment is to comment on appearance, his intelligence, and his skills. Seeking his advice, getting his help, and giving him a compliment does not compromise your femininity. If anything, it enhances your femininity because all of these actions are characteristic of being a woman. Do you think that you're too laid back or too overbearing if you try these suggestions? Do you think that they compromise your femininity if you try them? Comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, every relationship begins with a greeting. Comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in as I share tips on how to connect with others.